Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can increase your public profile subscribers on Snapchat. So let's dive in. So when you create a public profile on Snapchat, you can have subscribers who view your content, and in your profile you can scroll all the way down and you can create a public profile. I have created mine and I can click on preview profile. So after you preview your profile, we can go ahead and I am going to show you the following steps in which you can increase your subscribers on Snapchat. So stay till the very end because each of them are very important. So let's dive in. Number one. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the plus button on the top of your screen where your friends are, and what you want to do is to accept all your friend requests, and you also want to add friends every single day. You should add about 20 friends every single day, and what that will do is it will increase your subscribers because automatically your friends will become your subscribers. So what you want to do is to add friends every single day, and that will increase your subscribers. Number two is you can text your friends and ask for a shout, and what that will do is when they give you a shout out in the stories, their friends will click on the shout out, which will bring them to you, and when you become friends with them or they subscribe to your channel, your subscribers will increase. And number three, what you can do is when you create a streak in your Snap, you always want to add your Snap code. So when you create a streak or a snap, you want to include your snap code, and what that will do is it will help your friends who share your snap bring more of their friends to your channel and to your profile. So what you want to do every time you snap is you add your snap code, and what that will do is it will increase your subscribers. Number four, what you can do is you can click on the stories on the right side of your screen, and you can see these stories, and what you need to do is to create videos every single day, about 3 to 4 videos in your public profile every single day, and people that like the content will subscribe to your channel. And number five is the most important one, guys. You can create a new lens. Yes, you can create a new lens which people will use in Snapchat, and it will help boost your public profile when they use your lens and they find out who created the lens. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.